Morning, welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we have in store for this upcoming week. I'm Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management. We start out this week with a fairly muted response last week with stocks as the Dow Jones was flat for the week. The S&P 500 was up 20 basis points and NASDAQ was up 70 basis points. Once again, technology and growth stocks propelled the markets higher, at least for last week. Looking at the bond front, we have the 2-year at 4.72%, the 10-year at 4.23%, 49 basis point inversion, which has widened over the past few weeks as short-term rates remained elevated, but the longer end of the bond market has moved lower. People are questioning that and commenting that there might be some perceived slowdowns in the economy in the next few quarters, and you're seeing it be played out on the long end of the market. Looking at commodity issues, we have oil at $71.20 a barrel and gold at $2,014. So we have seen some reductions in both of those levels over the past few weeks. A lot of data points coming out this week. In fact, a big week for data points. We have a November CPI out on Tuesday, November PPI, which is producer price inflation, out on Wednesday. CPI is consumer price inflation out on Tuesday. Retail sales out on Thursday. Two inflation gauges are going to be very interesting. Latest news to come out just before the Fed meets for their December meeting on Wednesday. So they're going to have these two pieces of information on the inflation front before they make their determination for interest rate policy. Big numbers and could be market moving numbers depending on how they come out. See if inflation has ticked back higher, something we want to pay attention to. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, www.gencapmgmt.com. Our team's ready to answer any questions that you might have. Give your portfolios a second opinion. Just make sure that the allocations match your risk tolerances and goals and objectives. We have a lot of good information on our website, financial planning tips from John Howamet, something that you want to pay attention to, especially as you get to the end of the year. There might be some checklists that you have to take care of before we head into 2024, which is going to be just about 3 weeks from now. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Be glad to help out any way we can. My name is Scott Nasca, president of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week, everyone.